help me set up this new litter box. I actually am really excited about this litter box, mainly because it has 2 entry and exit points. So your cat can enter through the front and exit through the top, or just enter through the front and exit through the front as well. So I'm super excited. So let's get this. The sides just pop in just like this. And then the back pops on like that. Super, just pop it on. And once it's all together, it'll all kind of hold itself into place. And then this is going to be the top piece, which is just going to, let me angle this down for you to see better. Click into place. It's pretty self-explanatory. There are no, there's no pamphlet to tell you how to do it, but it's super like easy to figure out. Like that. And have that front piece backwards. The thicker piece is going to be on the bottom and the thinner piece is going to be on the top. So far you're going to pull the drawer open from the back to change the litter out. The front door and the top door. Okay, so it looks like I did put mine on backwards, where the tray, which is back here, pulls out from the back. I guess it's supposed to technically pull out from the front, but to me it doesn't really matter which direction you pull the tray out. To put the doors on, they literally just pop into place with hinges here. The same for this door. This door only goes one way though, so it's only an exit for the cat, not going to be an entrance. And then there is that bag was like a deodorization bag with a little filter piece on top. And then it does come with the scoop. Pretty cool. Super excited about this. I'm gonna go fill it up and set it up down. Need your